Day 28. I've been hearing I would have to climb a really nasty ski slope. Yesterday I met a hiker who said that he did this hill yesterday and it wiped him out. He never recovered. He was tired after doing it first thing, and he was tired for the rest of his hike. After a morning of hills so far, this nicely mown pathway, which is relatively flat, is so welcome. Time for elevation change. Heading to the outer part of the Beaver Valley. This feels just like home. Beautiful day to be a frog. I think I just found the beaver of Beaver Valley.